what we do on a blizzard day. Snowmageddon 2022. Where we're all gonna die. Yeah, it's a snowstorm. Get over it. Anyway, yeah, what do we do here? We take some of the dogs for a walk. We won't video that. He's having a personal moment. But this is the area that I've been working hard at thinning out the tree coverage. As you can see, all of this here looked pretty much like that. And the road's right over there. Rebel. But been cutting a bunch of trees here. Some more to take out. Got the forester coming back probably Friday to give me a hand taking some of those out, because it's kind of a two-man job because the power lines are, I don't even know if you can see the power lines, but the power lines are right there, the other side of those trees. So want to make sure we have two people here to cut and use the tractor to push trees away from the road so they don't fall into the power line. And I got a little pile of brush from yesterday. Hopefully this will become ashes next weekend. Again, depending on how much snow we get, whether or not I can get that going again. But there's the homestead. More trees to come down in there. More trees to come down over here. Making pastures. That's what we're doing. Silvo pastures. So it'll look like that. Mostly pasture and a few trees. Rebel. Yes, good boy.